You are watching The Mouse Break, your home for all things Disney and more. If you enjoy your time here, you can find us on your favorite social media channels, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when new videos go live.
We have royalty in our midst. We have a princess here in Batu. Can we show some respect? Yes, thank you. Thank you. It's wonderful to have you here, princess. Yeah. Oh, do you see her blue milk? You're allergic to blue milk? I am so sorry. I actually didn't think you guys could be allergic to anything either. Oh, well. Hi. Oh, yeah. Image scan for image scan. It's a fair trade. Fair trade. It's hard at work. Hard at work. Which is more than I can say for you two. Yeah. Exactly. That's what they're built for. Keep things nice and cold. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I know. They've been working very hard. You can see that, huh? For a long time. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, that gonk is kind of green like you, huh? That's right. Yeah, exactly. Oh, this is gonna happen. Yes, we are very sorry for bothering you. Yeah. Come on, let's get out of here. I know. Come on.
Hey, Oscar. Come on over here for a second. I want you to say hi to Olivia. This is Olivia. He'll wave back if you wave at him. There he is. I think he likes you. No. Yes. I'll give you the big oil belt. You come here for a second. Come here. All right. I want you to look at him. I want you to say, BDX Besh, jump. You got it. You can do it. Hey! Well done. Thank you, young lady. He's going exploring a little. Don't worry, he'll be back. So BDX companion droids, they're made from spare parts that we've acquired over time. They're straight from Kubo's shop. Again, Travis?
You'll never be able to tell. Spare parts, they look fresh.
Well, we do what we can. They're straight from Mubo's shop. Mubo's my boss, by the way. If you talk to him, couple fingers on his shop, okay? Now, he knows you're taking a picture of him. You want to pose for the pictures, Dash? Strike a pose. There you go. There it is. Shy, this one. Oh, they're not quite ready for sale just yet. No, he doesn't want to go anywhere. They don't want to go anywhere. Not quite yet. Oh, relax. It was just a joke. They don't think I'm very funny. Okay, all right. Let's get you two in a better mood. All right. Turn around and face the travelers. No, turn. No, face. Bash, stop. Bash, no, Bash. Face the traveler. Bash, face the traveler. There you go. Great. Okay, Oscar, can you turn around and face the travelers? There you go. All right. Let's have some... Oscar. 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 No, face the travelers. Yeah, there you go. All right. Do me a favor. It's Vivian, yes? Can you tell Oscar, say BDX Oscar, sidestep to the left. There you go. Very good. Well done, Oscar. What, you're going to keep going? Okay. Don't bump into the speeder. Remember what happened last time? The whole, really, you're going to go the whole way? All right. What's your name, traveler? Do me a favor. BDX fashion. Give me a jump. They're ready. They're ready. They're ready. No, not a dance. Jump. Yep. Here we go. Sorry, thanks. Making friends over here, Oscar. He's very shy at first, but once he comes out and he starts walking around, he really opens up. Then you just can't get him to stop. How you doing, youngling? Can you help me out with something? Can you tell Oscar to jump? Can you just say jump? Very good. Thank you. The more they get used to other people's voices, the more they learn. Very good. Thank you. The more they get used to other people's voices, the more they learn. I sounded like I was kidding. All shy, and then I just can't get a service stuff. Well, bright suns, travelers. I'm going to take these one in and get them charged. But we'll be around. Mubo has us working 24/7, so. All right. Come on, you. I know you're having a lot of fun, but come on, we got to get you charged. If I were you, traveler, you must not know Black Spire Outpost. All right, up we go. Come on, Oscar. Yeah, you did a good job today. Maybe don't smart off to me too much more in public.